Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a woman's sleeveless summer shirt without a pattern. I have my piece of material already laid out. I got the shirt that I want to make just like it, spread it out, laid out flat on my material. I have my material doubled over, so when I cut it there will be two pieces. Make sure your material is smooth and flat, and you want to leave some extra space around it, around the top and the bottom, all along it. So I'm just going to trace the pattern out like I said. Cut along it, trace around it. I'll leave like 2 inches around the whole thing that I'm cutting out. That way when I hem it up the sides and stuff, there'll be plenty of extra room. I want my bottom, the length of it to be a little bit longer than the shirt that I am tracing, so make sure I cut it out a little bit longer than that. I think it's time to put some new blade in my material cutter. As you can see, I have both pieces cut out. Now I'm going to take the front piece, just one piece of material, and I'm going to cut out a little neckline on it. Not very big, because I don't want it to be too loose. I can always fix it. I'll hold this up and give you a better look at it. As you can see how I got my shirt cut out with the neckline. Turn my camera around for you. And now I have my 2 pieces of material. I'm going to turn them wrong side out. That way I can stitch them together. So what I'm going to do is take one piece, or one side, sew down the side of it from the armpit down to stitch it together. See, I got one side of it stitched. We'll turn it to the other side. Do it the same way. Underneath the armpit, sew straight down. I will turn it right side out in just a minute. Now you want to take the top of the shoulders, both shoulders, and stitch that part together. Do the other shoulder. I had went to Joann Fabrics yesterday because I had to purchase some supplies for a project that I'm making, and I've seen this material and it's really fun, and I just love the color of it. You can wear it with black or gray or white capris or pants, whatever. And I took it up there and I told the lady there wasn't a whole lot on the roll. I told her that I wanted a yard of the material, and it was more or less like half a yard, a little over a half a yard. And she's like, would you just like to purchase it like this for 75% off? and it was like I think $12.99 a yard, and I'm like, sure. And I ended up getting it for like $2 and something. She sold it to me for. Got up to the register, I'm like, wow, what a deal. So now I'm going to turn my shirt right side out. As you can see, it's all put together, and it's a really pretty collar, real soft. And I'm going to take and go ahead and put the hem along the bottom of it. Go ahead and probably put a 1/2 inch hem around the complete bottom of it. Like I said, I want it to be long, a little bit longer, not real short. I like my shirts a little longer. Sorry about that. My tripod slipped down. Okay, now I got the bottom all the way hemmed all the way around, as you can tell. And only thing I gotta do now is along the neckline and the arms, but in tomorrow's video, excuse me, in tomorrow's video I will